What's up, guys? I'm into SC4 and today is Friday, October 26th. Okay, I got that right. Stupid goddamn tree. October 26th, 2012. And I'm bringing you another vlog video. Today, it's a nice day, but it's a windy day as well. And I can prove that to you like right now because I am outside. Yeah, look at the mess. Oh yeah. Oh god, look at the mess. Oh my gosh. Look at all this. Leaves everywhere. Oh my god, even my exercise trampoline is like onto its side like that. It's just, oh god, I don't even want to look at the pool right now. Oh god, should I have to? Look at the leaves everywhere. Should I have to look in my pool right now? Should I have to? You know what? Let me get the key. Let me get the key. The pools. Alright. So anyway, you can see it's windy. It was blowing pretty good earlier, like, seriously, it was like blowing really good earlier. And it was blowing good overnight. Oh god, do I have to look at the pool? I have to look at the pool, do I? Oh god, it's probably full of leaves. Not that I'm gonna go in and swim, but although I might Sunday if it's not windy all weekend. Oh yeah, listen all that. Oh yeah. Oh look, my beach ball. Hey, leaf. Hey, beach ball, look at that. Oh god, don't. Oh, look at this. In my pool. Oh my god. This is just terrible. Look at that, the wind's just blowing pretty good. And that's where the leaves are coming from, this tree. Wow. Okay, that was big. We usually get windy storms here in California. Some big ones too. Oh yeah. Look at my pool. Damn it. Look what I have to clean. Yeah, it's my job. Look at that. Even the noodles fell in the pool. Ah, screw it. I'm not going to even try getting them. They can stay in there until I clean up this damn pool. Look at this. Now, this is uncalled for. Very uncalled for. Whatever. Oh, God. Do I have to really look at my jacuzzi right now? I have to look in it too, huh? Do I? Why? Why do they say my day off from college? Because I don't have classes on Fridays, or actually college is never open on Fridays. And this is what my day off's gonna be, cleaning the pool? Why? Jesus. Look at that tree blowing pretty good. You can even hear it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's blowing pretty good. Beach ball! I'm gonna try to kick it into the pool. Alright. Here we go. Watch this. It's gonna be successful. Alright, let's get out of here. Alright, there we go. Okay. Oh, God. Key. Lock. Lock. Okay. Put that down. Go down. Thank you. Now lock. Come on. Damn. Okay. Put the key. Okay, so anyway. Let's see. Look at the mesh. I don't even want to look at my front yard right now. It's probably all dirty too. Ow. Goddamn rat. Oh god. And you know what? Because you have... I'm gonna go to my front yard right now, come on. And just because you have windy days, you're gonna have dirty cars. I'm not gonna clean my car today because it's dirty. This is Zach's car, it's just dirty as hell. Look at that. And there's my car, look. Aww. Look how dirty it is. Look at that, I can even... Okay, I'm gonna write something here. Hold on. There you go. I'm into SC4R. That's right. Oh, it's all dirty. And I blame this one. Okay. Wash me. Alright. I will wash you, but not now. Not now. Probably wouldn't mind to write that on Zach's car too. I don't have a back windshield wiper, that sucks. Okay, wash me. I don't think Zach would mind if I did this. Because it is true, you do have to clean your car. Look at that shit. Now that's disgusting. That's just disgusting. Look at my finger has dirt on it. That's just gross. It's just uncalled for. On top of Zach's car, the top of my car looks like that too. Yeah, it's all dirty. All dirty. So, nothing much going on. It's just a windy day today. And this is actually the first vlog video in like 2 weeks. Sorry about that, I haven't been uploading lately because I've been busy with things like college and stuff. And second of all, I was ill last week, so I'm better now, so don't worry. Don't ask me any questions if I'm better, because I've just answered it for you. And, of course, on my original channel, Into SC4R Gaming, I haven't uploaded a lot lately because I've been so busy, and I apologize for that. Yeah, it's 9:30 in the morning here, so yeah. So, my days can be spent cleaning up the mess, like the backyard and the pool. Not fun. Alright, I'm gonna let you guys go. Enjoy your Friday. I'm Into SC4R. And I'll see you guys later.